farmer's garden. These are tomatoes, the red cherry tomatoes, also called as plum tomatoes, grape tomatoes. This grows to a height of maybe around 4 or 5 feet, and once the seeds are planted, it takes around 2 to 3 months for the full ripening of these fruits. Now it's all red and ready to be picked up and ready to be harvested. These tomatoes are used in salads. This is rich in antioxidants, vitamin C, helps in control blood pressure, good for the skin, helps in weight loss, good in making juices, salads, etc. So these are ripened cherry tomatoes. They are red, ready for harvest. So I'm picking a few of them. Just with the tug, almost all the fruits just falls off. They're so gentle. So be careful while picking up. It's easy to get squeezed or smashed. So these cherry tomatoes can be refrigerated for quite some time. I'm just going to taste one of the red cherry. Let's see how it tastes.